Welcome back, guys. Huge video today. This is going to be for our 10th gen Accord, 2nd gen TLX 2.0 and RDX customers. We've been promising these for a while and we're glad we can finally share it with you. This is the Type R turbo swap kit for those cars. All right, I'm going to go over the kit real quick. We have some installs from when we installed the MHI Stage 2. This kit will be for any drop-in Type R turbo. So your MHI Stage 2, the FL5, the FK8, one of the RB6 turbos. And I'll go over the parts real quick. This way, if you're asking a question, you reach out, how do I do this? There is some slight cutting involved, but it's basically simple, ready to go. I'm gonna go over the parts. Okay, so this is a line we make in-house. It's for the Type R Turbo. And like I said, your basically ones that come with the turbo are completely different, whole design on both sides that don't fit the Type R Turbo, and the passages. Comes with the screen, gaskets, everything. This is gonna be a 5/8 line for the Type R. And this is the coolant line if you're using the PRL titanium inlet kit, so it can look like a seamless install. There's so much misinformation about like, man, the PRL kit's like gone, I can never install my Type R Turbo. Like the back line that went across the back of the inlet pipe was basically just a vacuum line that they put in there. So it's not even needed. This is the key line to make it look flush and kind of factory. We supply these two reducers. So you're gonna have your 5/8 line and a 3/8 line. Basically, the Type R line is gonna come in here, and then this line will go off to the existing parts on the engine, so they completely bolt up. We will have the two bolts, I don't have them in here right now, for this to go on the inlet. I'll also have the two bolts that go on here, because the stock ones are too long. I'm gonna supply this as standard with the kit. Comes with all your bolts, clamps for all the hosing, the stay bracket, the Type R one, obviously, because it's a different size. You've got all your gaskets, complete kit, guys. This is basically if you're doing the PRL titanium. Technically, you probably wouldn't use this if you're staying like a stock inlet. You could probably just run this hose all the way straight over and just use the reducer. But this is everything in our kit. I'm gonna have a pre-order. I've got to order everything of these basically to get made. I should have these shipping in like 3 weeks once the pre-order goes in, maybe 2 if we're lucky. And yeah. So what better way? We've been swapping these turbos since 2018, and we're glad we can finally bring you a full complete kit. All right, guys, so I'll leave a link below on these. Pre-order, please support us. There really isn't a good option anymore, and there's so many misinformation, confusion about all these kits online and what is needed. And I figured instead of wasting all this time answering all the questions and nobody orders from us anyways with these kits, I'm gonna bring a kit to the market that everyone needs. So here's your chance. So Type R swaps, get your parts with us. Like I said, you need this kit, but you also need the Type R downpipes, and make sure you're running an aftermarket intercooler. You cannot turbo swap without those. Definitely needed. All right, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.